This is a simulation video on how candidate can submit proposal. First of all, you go to the college website, which is waccoam.org. Then you click on login. Login gives you this interface. Login with your email address and password and click login here. So login gives you to this interface. Please either click here to submit proposal, or you click here to submit your proposal. But before you submit, please make sure you have your EDCA clearance from your institution, and also you've made your payment. So to make payment, just come here and click college payment. College payment links you to this interface. So you click on proposal fee. The proposal fee, select your currency, select your payment, then type in your topic, and then add to cart. So when you add to cart, you have one item here, or you can go to my cart. So let's click my cart. So my cart gives you your summary, that's detail of your payment. So you click on checkout. Checkout, now you click pay via Paystack. So pay via Paystack gives you this interface where you put your card details, you put the numbers and click payment. So if you don't want to use card detail, you can use your bank, you can use your USSD code, you can use your Visa QR. So whichever one that suits you, please, you can use it to make your payment. So once this payment is done, you will have an invoice. Immediately after the payment, you can download the invoice or print out the invoice. In any case, you are unable to print out this invoice, you can go to my invoice from here and then look for the invoice with the reference number that relates to what you've paid, and then click here to download. So once this is done, you can now go to your dashboard. So from your dashboard, you can click now submit proposal. So on submit proposal, please, we have two training here. We have Proficient Training and Subspecialty. So select the one that concerns you, and then please type in your Proficient Training number. Please mind you, your Proficient Training number has to be exactly the way it is on your letter. So once you type it here, you now click send number. So once you click on send number, it gives you this upload interface. So upload interface where you're supposed to submit your EDCA clearance form and also the payment invoice. So now let's go ahead and submit our clearance form. Okay, embrace. Upload document. Okay, this gives me this interface now, showing successful. So on this page now, I can click to submit clearance. Please take note of this information here. As I click to submit, I get this error message. It shows that my clearance is not yet verified. So for me to be very sure if my PIT number is correct, that's the number I submitted. So if it's not correct, please, you can verify by checking the correct number on your letter, or rather, if you have still the same error, you can reach out to the faculty officer or the support officer of the college to assist. But if your training, that's your Proficient Training number, is correct, so we click on submit clearance. So submit clearance and verification is successful. Your login details will be sent to your email within the next 24 hours. So this shows your application is okay. So click OK. Okay, this now will direct you to this proposal portal. So here you get your login details via your email address. You put them here. Click login. So this login brings you to this interface. So you click make submission. So on this submission page, there's a submission preparation checklist. So just go through this. Once you're done, click on this link that says make a new submission. So make a new submission gives you interface. Select your English, your section. You select which travel faculty that concerns you. So let's click laboratory medicine here. So the category is laboratory medicine. Please check all this. This is a checklist. So check this as agreeing with the terms and conditions and click save and continue. So on this platform now, you can now upload your document by clicking upload document. So once you click upload, please mind you what you're uploading is a Word document, not PDF. So let's upload this. So once you say what kind of file is this, is a proposal, you click on it. So it has accepted. Now you now save and continue. So save and continue brings you to this title page where you now put your title. Let's put my title, and then also your abstract. This time around your abstract you can copy and paste. You paste it based on your word count. So every faculty has their own word count. So please you verify your own word count. So if your faculty word count, check your word count via this site. So just look at it, know how many you're supposed to type. So once you're done with this, please here you're supposed to submit your supervisor's name. So you click add contributor, put your supervisor's name, then the email address, so then the country, then you select the supervisor's name here and save and continue. So once you save, it's added up here too. So now you can click save and continue. Okay, save and continue brings you to this confirmation page. This confirmation page now is telling you if you still have to go back and check what you've submitted, you just click on this to verify all the things you've submitted. Just go back, be sure all you submitted is what you want to submit. So once you're done, you go back to your contribution, I mean your confirmation, and click finish submission. Here it confirms it for you. You click OK. Now says submission completed. So once you're done submitting, just click on back to submission. So back to submission gives you this interface. See, this is what's just submitted. So if you look closely, it is showing submission. So let's go through to better understand this status. So this status gives you an insight of exactly what you're expected to see from time to time as you log onto your portal. So here it helps you guide you through on what's going on with your proposal submission. So here it shows, there's a communication now between your your either assessor or your chief examiner or the faculty officer. You can see there's a communication. So if you go down, it shows review. That means this has been submitted to an assessor, he has already reviewed it and it's showing 1/1. So it's only one assessor that it has been submitted to. So if you look at this, it's showing 1/2. So it has been submitted to an assessor and it's two assessor this time around. So but one has responded, so you are seeing 1/2. So here shows 0/2. None has responded, but it has been submitted to an assessor. So two of them, so yet to respond. Here shows 1/1, so I've been submitted to an assessor and the assessor has also responded. Here shows 0/0, which shows that it's still in the process of submitting. So they've not submitted it yet to any of the assessor, but it's still in the process. So you better understand this through here. So in the process on where you're supposed to proceed with your work after approval is when you start seeing your work has gone, when your communication line between you and your faculty officer and your work has gone for copy editing and production. You know now your work has been approved. You get a notification from the faculty officer that your work has been approved and you can move on with your field work. So with this, it gives you an insight. Just log on to your portal and keep checking your status. So if you have any difficulties, please you can also reach out to the faculty officer or reach out to the support department of the college, which they can guide you and assist you. Thank you.